Easy. That's it. Stay, sit down. Go nubs. Come on, keep going, mate. It's alright. Right, now. There's voices up here, I heard. Alright, so we've got to be very quiet now and try and go down. And I don't know how far we should go. Alright, we don't want to go too far and then we get stuck on the way up. Because the afternoon is going to go quick. It's 2:34. Already, that's right. Alright.
I'll make the path going down.
Alright, stick to the left hand side over here. Nubby, follow later to the left hand side here. Whoever's in front has to stop a certain time to turn around. In case someone falls and slips, you can stop them. And that's if both of you don't go over. Mate, these kids want... These kids want an adventure, right? They want to go, oh, we want to go down there, Dad. Sure, why not? So I'll bring them down here. And we'll find it hard to get down here. What's going on?
There's white stuff in the...
It looks like it's all over the place. Alright.
You can see how steep that is up. Hi guys, welcome to MJ and the Jungle Kids. Welcome to another episode. We are out in the rainforest here in a different location. We're heading down. We're going to see if we can find any evidence of any signs of yowie activity. So join us on another search. The quest to find your Aussie yowie. Yeah. Check this out, guys. Look how far we're up there. That's how far. MJ. How you guys feeling?
Fun.
Yeah?
Fun.
Exciting?
Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Gee, Lola's keen. Alright, take it easy. Go down.
I can't play these anymore. It's just too hot.
Yep, give me them here. Okay. Alright, make your way down. Stop for a few meters. Wait for the next person and keep going again. Okay?
Go. Should I go that way or that way? Go that way. It's safer. I'll hold your hand.
Down there. Just watch your step now.
Hang on, not too many people grabbing the same thing and putting a lot more stress on it. Oh my god.
Holy crap.
What was that?
I'm good. I'm alright. Yeah, this log's collapsed. There's cockroaches and stuff all in it.
Well, at least that's protein if we run out of food.
Yeah. No, I fell from from where Layla is,
Yep.
all the way down there because the log collapsed.
Oh, okay.
It's that soft.